Have you ever felt like you just don't belong? No matter where you go or who you're with, you still feel out of place, confused about what you want in life, not getting the right support from your friends and family? You're not alone. Lots of people feel like they don't quite fit in. You're unsure about what you want to do with your life, and you don't feel supported enough. The main reason for this is that you haven't figured out yourself yet. That's why you're not surrounded by people who really understand you. When you get to know yourself better, things get better too. You'll start to attract people who are like you, who will understand you and support you. Find people who are like you and they will encourage you to become the best you can be. When you're with a group of people who get you, you feel like you belong and you have a reason to do what you love. You enjoy your job because it matches what you really cared about. You know what you're meant to do because you know yourself better. It's not just about finding your group of friends and doing what you love. Knowing yourself helps you deal with tough times in life. When you know what you're good at and what you need help with, you can make smarter choices and can handle change better. It gives you the power to set goals that really matter to you and take action to reach them. Knowing yourself is like laying the groundwork for becoming a better, happier you. When you're honest and open about what you are, you attract others who like you for being yourself. These genuine friendships make your relationship stronger, more meaningful, building trust and closeness. So, understanding yourself isn't just about you, it's about building better relationships, making life more genuine, and satisfying yourself. And remember, if you want to be something you're not, it's okay to change yourself into someone who you want to be. Personal growth is all about evolving and becoming the best version of yourself. In this process of your self-exploration journey, remember that OaksGuru is always with you. Let's work together to become the best versions of you. See you in the next one.